Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I am sharing all my summer beauty and makeup favourites. Instead of doing one of these videos every month, I thought I would do one every season instead because, to be honest, I don't really try that many new things. Instead of just rambling on and talking about the products, I thought that I would just do my makeup with them as well. So I really hope you liked today's video. Let me know what your summer favourites are down in the comments below, and if you are new here, then hello, my name is Zoe. This is my YouTube channel and you can subscribe if you want to. Okay, so first off, yes, I am wearing a top. It is the most uncomfortable top in creation. It literally feels like it's suffocating me. I thought I would just mention my skincare first because it's not something that I talk about a lot on here because I'm not that knowledgeable about skincare, but I will show you what I'm currently using. The cleanser that I'm using at the moment is the Ultra Calming Cleanser from Dermalogica. I'm sure I've talked about this before. I'm also running out. This is what I use every morning and at night. I use this to take my makeup off at night and I use it in the morning as well. At night, after I've used my cleanser, I'll use the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. This is like an exfoliator and it's really nice on my dry skin, and after I've used it, it makes my skin look nice and shiny. So that is what I use after. And then for my moisturiser, I am still using the La Roche-Posay Ultra Calming Fluid. I think this is my second or third bottle now, and I've definitely talked about this before. So that is my skincare routine. I thought I would just quickly mention my self-tanner as well. At the moment, I haven't self-tanned, but when I do, I use this one, which I absolutely love. It's the Bondi Sands Self-Tanning Foam. It's the dark one, and I'm very fair. And the dark one doesn't look too dark on me. It looks really nice and natural. I like that it doesn't smell funny and it doesn't transfer on your bedding or your pyjamas either. So if you're looking for a new fake tan, I'd definitely try that one. So I have already applied this one, but the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light has been one of my favourites. I'll use this as like an illuminating primer. I like it because it is quite moisturising as well, still under my foundation. So every day I will apply this after my moisturiser just for a little bit extra hydration, and it just gives a really nice finish to the skin as well. This also looks lovely without foundation, so if you want a no makeup day but you just want a nice luminous base, this is really nice. Okay, so let's finally put some makeup on. I recently purchased this foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. I really like it. It is very luminous, so if you have more oily skin, I don't know if this is going to be the one for you, but I'm going to really enjoy this over the summertime. I've already used it a few times already. I'm using the shade 204 today, which is Natural Buff, but if I have tanned, then I'll be the shade 205, so I bought both shades. And I'm just going to apply this with a brush today. Sometimes I'll use a brush, sometimes I use a beauty blender, and sometimes I use both. So first I'm just going to apply this with a brush and just sort of pat this into the skin. I do like these two shades because they are more of a yellow undertone, which I find it really hard to find foundations with a yellow undertone in the drugstore. This does have more of a medium coverage, but you can definitely build it up as well. Okay, I'm sorry, I've just had to change that top into a bandeau thing. It was just really irritating me. I could not cope with that. My favourite concealer at the moment is the Makeup Revolution concealer. I use this every day and for night as well because you can again build this up so it's quite a good coverage. The only thing about this is I'm not the only person who's mentioned it. A few of my friends have mentioned it as well, is that it doesn't really last that long. So before this I was using the Urban Decay Naked Concealer and I bought this instead, but it doesn't last as long as that. I don't know whether I feel that because it is more affordable, I just feel like I can pile it on and it doesn't matter. This is my second tube, so I'm going to see how long this one lasts me for. Now I'm conscious of how much I'm using. I'm in the shade C5 as well. I do also use this as my eyeshadow primer as well, so I'll put some all over the lid. I think those two together just create a really nice flawless base. Nice, that's it when it comes to my favourites so far for my skincare and base products. So I'm just going to finish the rest of my face using what I would normally use. Another favourite of mine which I've bought recently is the Juvia's Place palette. This is the Masquerade one, and I actually think I've only used this one other time on my channel. I'll leave a link to it up there. But it's just got so many bright summery colours in, and it's also got sort of the neutral browns as well, which I really like. I also bought this for my professional kit as well, and all my clients have been loving it. So yeah, we're going to do the eyes with this today, and I think I'm going to try colours which I've not used from this yet. I'm going to start by using Ada in my crease. And I do find that these are very, very pigmented, so you only need a small amount. So Ada is just going in my crease. This is probably the only shade out of all of them which I found to just be a little bit lighter than what it looks like in the actual pan, but as you can see it's really, really pigmented, so I'm not really going to complain. And then I'm just blending the edges out a little bit because I have maybe blended it a little bit too high. Okay, next I'm going to go in with Zulu. This is just going in the crease again. And just going backwards and forwards with this one. Then for my lid colour I'm going to use Calabar, which is like a bronzy sort of plummy purple toned. It's a shimmery shadow. I'm going to use my finger to apply this because I always find that shimmery shadows always apply best with your finger. And then for the lower lash line I'm actually going to give this shimmery purple one a go, which I've not used there. Get my words out. Used this yet. This one is called Makita. And that one I didn't actually feel was as pigmented as the other ones. Even on a swatch it's not as pigmented, so maybe look out for that one. For my inner corner I'm going to use the lighter shade which is called Giza. I do like this bronzy shade and the purple together though. I think they look really pretty. Okay, I'm just going to apply a bit of mascara. For lashes I've used another current favourite of mine which are the Peaches and Cream lashes. These I don't wear personally myself that often, but I do use them all the time in my pro kit. My clients absolutely love these. There's so many different styles to pick from as well, and they're really reasonably priced. And my favourites are number 7, number 8, 20, 22 and number 1. The ones I've got on at the moment are 22, I think. Yeah, 22. The products from Peaches and Cream which I would absolutely recommend you try out are the loose pigments. I've got 3. I've got Gatsby, Frangulus and Mermaids, and these are absolutely insane. Everybody has been loving Gatsby at the moment. It's like a gold pigment, looks absolutely beautiful. I'm not going to put these on today, but just as a recommendation I would definitely try these out. If you want that extra pop to your eyeshadow, apply these over the top. They just look amazing. So now finally moving on to lips, and I've been absolutely loving the soft matte lip creams from NYX. Where is the one I'm going to be using today? I know these aren't a particularly new product, but they are new to me. I haven't really used them that often, but recently over the past couple of months I've been using them for like my everyday lip and for night as well, and I just love how matte they are but comfortable as well. I had a few new shades sent to me. I'm going to try this one today. It's like a dark nude. It's called Leon. The lip pencils that go with them as well are really nice. So then this is the soft matte lip cream. This is the same shade. Okay guys, so they were all my current summer beauty favourites. I'm sorry there wasn't too many, but I do need to try and start using more things. So if you've got any summer beauty favourites, then please leave them down in the comments below so I can go and try them out as well. I really hope that you did enjoy this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe as well, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!